Hi everyone, this is Janet from Simply Hooked by Janet. Today we're going to learn how to crochet these cute textured ear warmers. These could be made in 4 sizes: a toddler, a child, an adult regular, and an adult large size. And it's super simple. It uses only 3 basic crochet stitches and it's a 1 row repeat. So let's have fun making this cute ear warmer. To make the Keep It Simple ear warmer, you're going to need a bulky weight yarn, which is category number 5. I have Brava Bulky here from We Crochet. You'll also need your size K 6.5 millimeter crochet hook, or size needed to meet gauge for the pattern. So create your slip knot. Insert your hook into the loop. And for the size I'm going to be making, the adult regular size, I need to chain 14, but you'll need to refer to the pattern for how many chains you'll need for the size you want to work. You can work this in a toddler size, child size, adult regular, and adult large. So I'll be chaining 14. To start row 1, you'll make a slip stitch into the second chain from the hook, and you'll slip stitch in the next 2 chains as well. Now we'll make single crochets across until 3 stitches remain. Okay, I have 3 chain stitches remaining. We'll slip stitch into each one, so 3 slip stitches to complete row 1. And then you'll chain 1 and turn to start row 2. Row 2, we will be working in the back loop only across the entire row. So this is the front loop of each stitch, and then this is the back loop we'll be working into. So the first 3 stitches, we want to do a slip stitch in the back loop only. And then we want to create single crochets across until 3 stitches remain. Remember to work in the back loop only. Once you have 3 stitches remaining, we're going to keep working into the back loop only, and we'll do a slip stitch in each one. And then chain 1 and turn to start the next row. And from here on, for the rest of the pattern, for however number of rows you need for the size you're working, you're just going to repeat row 2, which is working in the back loop only across, slip stitch the first 3, single crochet until 3 remain, and slip stitch the last 3 stitches. So go ahead and finish up the pattern, however many rows you need for your size, and we'll come back and we'll join it to create the ear warmer. This is what the ear warmer will look like after you've created all the rows that you need for the size that you are working on. So our next step is to join the last row and the first row together. So grab your crochet hook and we'll chain 1, and we'll bring the last row you worked on, bring it together with the first row, and we're going to slip stitch across to close the ear warmer. So starting in the first stitch in both loops, insert your hook, and then in the loop from the foundation chain, insert your hook there, and then slip stitch. We're going to do that all the way across. Insert your hook into the last row worked and the stitch in the foundation chain, and slip stitch those rows together. Once you've finished your seaming the 2 rows together, you could turn this right side out. That'll be the side where the seam is less noticeable, right here. So it almost looks exactly like the rest of the ear warmer. Now you'll just fasten off your yarn, use a yarn needle and weave in your ends, and then you'll have a cute ear warmer to wear on those chilly days.